County in southeastern Georgia, Jasper County in southeastern South Carolina, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Wilmington Island, moving east at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tybee Island, Wilmington Island, Fort Pulaski National Monument, Midtown Savannah, Hutchinson Island, Downtown Savannah, Montgomery, Thunderbolt, White Marsh Island, and Ellicott.
Double header! Double header!
A well-built structure and stay away from windows.
Double header!
The storm is capable of producing damaging winds. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with...
Double header!
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. In Charleston has issued a special marine warning for waters from Edisto Beach, South Carolina to Altamaha Sound down 20 nautical miles until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line from over Altamaha Sound to near Altamaha Sound, moving southeast at 5 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 34 knots. Source, radar indicated. Intact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Sea Buoy 2W, Wausau Sound Buoy, Savannah Buoy, Buoy KC, Motherlode Barge, Sailboat Jupiter, 110-degree Olympic Buoy, Sea Buoy Os, BUA Buoy, Channel Buoy 5, Savannah River Entrance, Wausau Sound, Whitewater Reef, and Hilton Head Reef. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather